Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by choosing the same icon. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well and tap on display. Then scroll down and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. If it's blue, that means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off, tap on the same switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!